guys, welcome to our channel News Meto. Please like, share, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notification of our daily updates. City list 2098 funeral, government says no politics please. New Delhi 2098 or 1085, a debate over the actual number of COVID-19 deaths in Delhi broke out on Thursday between the city, state, three municipal corporations, all governed by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the state Aam Aadmi Party government. The three MCD claimed that as many as 2098 cremations and burials of bodies of COVID-19 confirmed cases were conducted at its graveyard between 14 March and June 11 in the city. Capital sees big spike on day. COVID death count hit 1,000. Government scale up responses as 1,877 cases and 101 deaths added on Thursday. The death toll in Delhi due to the coronavirus disease soared past the 1,000 mark on Thursday as the city recorded 1,877 new infections and 101 new fatalities. A new record for single day number that reinforced fears about the outbreak worsening and the need to rapidly ramp up healthcare infrastructure. Higher fertility rate in 69 districts, center to state concern. CAPSACI presentation shows these districts have a CFR of 5% compared to national average of 2.9%. Although the case fertility rate, the percentage of deaths of total COVID-19 cases reported has marginally dipped to 2.9% since May 18. When the government eased lockdown norms, 69 districts have a CFR of 5% or more, which Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba termed a matter of concern at meeting with state government officials on Thursday. Optimizing resources. Apart from hospitals and hotels, Delhi government is now looking at turning banquet halls and indoor stadium into makeshift hospitals. How the facilities will be managed. Medical staff, nursing association and private hospital will have to chip in. Beds, tent houses to be approached apart from health institution. Each bed to have a chair for medical staff to attend them. Being big banquet hall and indoor stadium will be divided into zones, one for critical patient, other for regular patient. Disposable flooring, pedestal fans in a big air-conditioned hall, oxygen support, ICU, ventilator facilities in the critical zone, nurse station, registration desks, additional mobile washrooms. Permit private hospital with equipped lab to test for COVID-19 HC to government observation. Capital is fast heading towards becoming in the corona capital of the country, the HC said in the hearing. A health worker preparing to collect swab sample for COVID-19 testing at Patel Nagar. The Delhi High Court on Thursday directed that all private hospitals that have been asked to reserve 20% bed for COVID-19 patients should conduct tests on symptomatic and asymptomatic person who seeks admission in the hospital for undergoing surgeries and procedures of other natures, as well, saying that the city is fast heading towards becoming the corona capital of the country, an appetite the city can well do without.